What if the wheel was never invented? The wheel is one of the most important inventions in human history. It has allowed us to travel further, faster, and easier than ever before. But what if the wheel had never been invented? Without wheels, we would have to rely on animals and ourselves for transportation. This would make it much more difficult to travel long distances, and it would also limit our ability to trade goods and ideas with other cultures. In agriculture, a world without wheels would mean that we would have to rely on much more labor-intensive methods of farming. This would make it more difficult to produce enough food to support a large population. In industry, a world without wheels would mean that we would have to rely on much more manual labor. This would make it more difficult to produce goods and services. So, what would our world be like if the wheel had never been invented? It would be a much slower, more difficult, and more isolated place. We would have to rely on our own strength and ingenuity to survive. However, it would also be a world that is more in touch with nature and its own resources. While a world without wheels would be a challenge, it would also be an opportunity. It would be a chance to slow down, reconnect with nature, and appreciate the simplicity of life. Here is something to think about.